If you're searching for the best cafe racer motorcycles, chances are you want that perfect blend of style and performance. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Tatafa Brown Hump Retro Seat. The Tatafa Brown Hump Retro Motorcycle Cafe Racer Seat is a stylish addition to any cafe racer build, priced at $71. What caught my attention is its vintage vibe that perfectly complements the classic look of a cafe racer. If you want a seat that not only looks good but also offers comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-performance seat features a durable and low-weight design that can withstand shocks and vibrations, which is crucial for those bumpy rides. Made from high-quality faux leather, ABS plastic, and iron, the seat is not just about looks, it's built to last. The dimensions are L 20.88 inches, Y 10 inches, and H 5.32 inches, which means it fits well on various bikes as long as some modifications are made to the subframe. This seat also comes with removable mounting brackets, allowing for easy installation, though you may need to tweak a few things to make it fit perfectly. Now, some people complained about it requiring modifications to fit their bikes. Here's the thing though, if you're into customizing your motorcycle, this should be viewed as an opportunity rather than a setback. If you're not up for a little DIY, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to add a vintage touch to your cafe racer and want a comfortable ride. Skip this one if you want something that fits out of the box without any adjustments. For the price, it offers great value and a unique style. Now, if the modification requirement for the Tatafa seat bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach with added comfort and style. Product number 2, DKMORTK Motorcycle Hand Grips, priced at just $8.80. These grips caught my eye with their retro design, perfect for anyone looking to add some old-school flair to their ride. If you want to enhance your grip and comfort while riding, these grips are worth checking out. Why does this matter for you? The non-slip soft TPU material ensures your hands won't slip off the grips, giving you a secure hold during those tight turns and long rides. The grips are designed to fit standard 7/8-inch handlebars, which means they're compatible with a wide range of motorcycles, including popular brands like Yamaha. The brown color adds that classic cafe racer touch, and with multiple color options available, you can customize your bike's look even further. However, some users have found them a bit too basic compared to higher-end grips. But here's the deal, at this price point, they perform exceptionally well and offer great value for anyone just starting or looking to save on upgrades. This is perfect for you if you want to boost your bike's aesthetic without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're seeking high-performance grips that can withstand extreme conditions. For under $10, they offer a solid investment for style and comfort. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for enhancing your cafe racer experience. Product number 3, Remau Cafe Racer Seat. Coming in at $33.99, the Remau Motorcycle Cafe Racer Seat is a universal option that delivers both style and functionality. I was impressed by its sleek black design and vintage vibe. If you want a seat that can fit multiple bike types while maintaining a classic look, this one's worth a serious look. This seat is designed to be durable, made from high-quality, waterproof PU leather. It measures 20.9 inches long and 9.8 inches wide, perfect for a variety of motorcycles, though you might need to do some frame modifications for it to mount securely. The 3 removable mounting brackets and included hardware make installation a breeze. This is key because you want a seat that not only looks good, but also feels comfortable during long rides. Some reviews pointed out that the seat may not fit perfectly without some adjustments, but here's the thing. If you're handy and enjoy customizing your bike, this is a minor inconvenience. It's a chance to make it truly yours. This is perfect for you if you love the idea of a classic cafe racer seat that can be adapted to your bike. Skip this one if you're looking for something that requires 0 modifications. For the price, it's a great deal for a stylish and comfortable seat. Now, if customization isn't your thing, this next product offers an easy installation experience without sacrificing style. Product number 4, Defery Cafe Racer Mirrors. We have the Defery Universal Motorcycle Mirrors, priced at $14.90. These mirrors instantly caught my eye with their sleek design and functionality. If you want to enhance your visibility while adding a retro look to your cafe racer, these mirrors should definitely be on your radar. The 3-inch round mirrors offer a clear vision with convex glass lenses, providing a wide-angle rear view. This is crucial for safety, as you won't need to turn your head as much to check for traffic. The CNC machined aluminum body ensures durability, making them a long-lasting addition to your bike. The fully adjustable design allows you to rotate and position them for the best view, which is a game changer for any rider. Some users had issues with the installation being a bit tricky, but honestly, if you're comfortable working on your bike or have a bit of patience, it's not a deal breaker. Plus, once they're installed, they look fantastic. This is perfect for you if safety and style are at the top of your priority list. Skip this one if you want mirrors that can be installed in a flash without any fuss. For under $15, they're a solid investment in both aesthetics and safety. Now, if you're looking for something that combines functionality with a bit of flair, the next product is all about that. Product number 5, Tadafa Retro Motorcycle Cafe Racer Seat Frame Hoop. We have the Tadafa Retro Motorcycle Cafe Racer Seat Frame Hoop priced at $29.50. This product caught my attention with its unique design and integrated LED lights. If you want to add both style and functionality to your cafe racer, this is worth considering. This hoop is designed to fit large CC bikes and comes with integrated LED lights for brake, turn signals, and taillights. This is pretty significant because visibility is key for safety, especially on the road. The tube is sturdy and durable with a diameter of 7/8 inch and thickness of 2 millimeters, ensuring it holds up well over time. The bare steel finish adds a raw retro touch to your bike, making it stand out. Some users noted that it may arrive with some minor rust, but here's the thing, if you're handy, you can polish it up and it gives the product a character that adds to the vintage look. This is perfect for you if you want to upgrade your bike's rear end with style and added safety features. Skip this one if you prefer a completely rust-free product right out of the box. For the price, it's a unique addition that combines safety with aesthetics. Alright, that was our final option, but let's recap the best choices for your cafe racer. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ramai Cafe Racer Seat because it balances style and comfort perfectly. Avoid the Tadafa Brown Hump Seat if you want something that fits out of the box without modifications. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.